Hello guys, today we're going to see how electricity is produced. But first, briefly what electricity is a set of physical phenomena associated with presence and motion of matter possessing an electric charge. Electricity is related to magnetism, both being part of the phenomena of electromagnetism as described by Maxwell's equation. Or you can say it's a form of energy, that flow of electrons such as electrons jumping from one place to another, running hand over the carpet. The electricity is called static. If the charge carries through a single medium, such as wire, electricity is called a current. Who invented electricity? The one who invented electricity, who was American polymath Benjamin Franklin, is most credited for discovering electricity in 1752. In his experiment, he attached a wire to a kite in a thunderstorm, which showed that lightning consists of electricity. But even if Benjamin Franklin discovered electricity, there is another one who known as the father of electricity, Michael Faraday. He was an English scientist who discovered the laws of electromagnetism, and his inventions paved the way for the first electric motors. But we can also say that there are not only those guys who involved in development of electricity. Here we can say Tesla. It was in 1888 Tesla did develop and patent an AC motor, but he wasn't the first. Plenty of scientists and engineers had worked on generating AC power. The earliest known generator dates at least to the 1830s. There exist two types of electricity: static electricity and current electricity. Static electricity is made by rubbing together two or more objects and making friction, while current electricity is the flow of electric charge across an electric field. But before we have current electricity and static electricity, what exactly produce electricity? So here we can say hydropower. There are many types of hydropower facilities. Thus, they are all powered by the kinetic energy of flowing water as it moves downstream. Hydropower utilizes turbines and generators to convert that kinetic energy into electricity, which is then fed into the electrical grid to power homes, business, and industries. At hydropower plant, water flows through a pipe or penstock, then pushes against and turns blade in a turbine that spins to power a generator to produce electricity. Most electricity is generated with steam turbines that use fossil fuel, nuclear, biomass, geothermal, or solar thermal energy. Other major electricity generation technologies include gas turbine, hydro turbine, wind turbine, and solar photovoltaic. How harnessing hydroelectricity work? A large reservoir is created, usually by damming a river to create an artificial lake or reservoir. Water is channeled through tunnels in the dam. The energy of water flowing through the dam's tunnel causes turbines to turn. The turbine makes generators move. So how much water is needed to produce electricity? The water required to generate 1 megawatt of power in hydropower plant varies depending on factors like turbine efficiency, head height, and flow rate. On average, it takes about 2,000 to 3,000 gallons of water per minute to produce 1 megawatt of electricity in a hydropower plant.